What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I'm going to celebrate drinking this IPA with this video. Today's Saturday, June 1st, 2024. May was a fantastic month. And actually, this is my last alcoholic drink before I go hardcore studying for boards and I want to get my six-pack back. So I have to make a few sacrifices. Plus, that money, instead of spending it on alcohol, I can spend it on dividend stocks. So that's one positive thing as well. So for the month of May, again, my total dividends earned with this dividend portfolio, $17,694.78. That's not even including etrade, which I will show you my passive income for etrade. My market gain is $8,758.20. Money weighted rate of return 94.02%. So things are looking pretty good. And this was, again, a very good month. I'm looking at my numbers. Still, this was almost at 2,000 this month. I was close. But it still was a really good month for passive income. So let's check out my passive income for the month of May. Starting on May 6th on M1 Finance, I made $63.20 with QQQY, $11.09 with IWMY, $34.65 with TSLY. Yes, I'm still holding on to TSLY. NVDY I made $215.66. CONY I made $762.03. FBY, yes, I do need to put more money in FBY. I have $604 in that. Premier Financial Corp, I have $26.92. MPLX $22.95. Hess Midstream LP $120. Then we're going to jump to Enterprise Product Partners $30.11. Agree Realty Corporation $241. Citizens Financial Group $25.46. One Oak $11.77. Ally $16.89. Hormel Foods $8.44. Kinder Morgan 92 cents. Procter & Gamble $2.50. AbbVie $5.49. NNN REIT $23.73. One Main Holdings $42.74. Energy Transfer $124. Hercules Capital $23.86. Runway Growth Finance Group $36.27 plus $6.35. Citigroup $2.52. FSK $2.48 special dividend. Conagra Brands $9.18. And Starbucks $9.16. So that's why I waited to do this video. So again, after I show you my total income, I'm going to reflect on a few things that I plan on doing. Some ideas that I may do. So I made a total of $1,387.08. That's pretty damn good. $1,387.08. So I'm still above the 1,000 mark. I throw in $250 a week. Again, I'm soon going to get to that point where I throw 500 in a week like I did before, and that really turbocharged my dividend portfolio. Also, I may add a little bit more with these enhanced options income ETFs. Tomorrow I'm going to reveal to you another one that I added. But CONY, NVDY, TSLY, IWMY, QQQY, the passive income has done very well with helping me buy dividend growth stocks. And again, some of the high yielders, MPLX, Altria, I'm starting to get up there, 165. So again, $1,387.08. So I want to make sure that I wrote everything in. I'm sorry, Altria was April 30th. I didn't add that one in. But this is looking very good. Now, a few things I'll go over real quick. Actually, I'll reflect on what I possibly need to do. So a lot of these dividend stocks are still a little bit down, which is great. So CONY, I'm up $881.69. That's going to fluctuate. It's not guaranteed. NVDY, same thing. So it fluctuates just like the market. You know, you can go to do a reverse stock split. Things can happen. So you have to be aware with that. Triple Point Venture Growth, that's a business development company, 91 shares. Runway Growth Finance, 90. A few of these, Trinity Capital, Ares Capital Corp, Barings BDC, Flowers, I'm at 71 shares. Wendy's, they're like their payout ratio is like nearly 100%. They kind of hike that dividend really fast. So I need to be a little concerned about that. I'm not going to buy anything else right now with them. They're down 19.60%. Beer tastes even better when you're making really good money in dividends. Capital Southwest 68.23. That needs to be up. Fifth Third Bancorp 61 shares. That needs to be up. Hercules Capital and Owl, the Blue Owl Capital Corp 58 shares, 59 shares. I want to at least get to 200 shares in a lot of these. Same with Enterprise Product Partners. I mean, imagine the passive income that you earn with them. TSLX 56 shares. That's not enough. Fidus Investment Corp, I need to get more. Now, I'm only at 49 shares of TSLY. They've went down significantly. Hopefully, Tesla does well. Again, you shouldn't rely on these Yieldmax ETFs completely. Eventually, once Tesla gets better, I'll probably start putting more money in TSLY. Oak Tree Specialty Lending, look at this, 47 shares. Saratoga Investment Corp, 43 shares. Alpine Income Property Trust, 41 shares. The one thing I thought about doing is doing just 6 months of paying for the high yielders and like a little bit of the dividend growth and trying to build that up, because I have a hybrid of high yield dividend stocks and ETFs. I'm not going to rely on all these Yieldmax ETFs for retirement. I mean, I don't like the consistency. They're up and down, but their yield is very nice, and it's buying me dividend growth stocks. So how can I complain? You know, no way I can complain about that. And Nvidia's going up. You know, CONY is going up. That's fine. It's not guaranteed though, so you have to be aware of that. The other thing with the business development companies is they are high yielders. So that is one thing that is nice, because I'll show you, for example, the dividend growth with CSWC. I'm going to go in 2019, 48 cents, 49 cents, 50 cents, 2019 down to 40 cents, and then 51 cents, a little stagnant in the pandemic. 52 cents, 53, 54, special dividend 2021, 97 cents. 48 cents, 2022, 63 cents, 50, 57, 58, 59. Now they're at 63 cents. Their dividend growth in 5 years is 9.20%. Their dividend increase in the last 5 years is 13. Dividend yield is 8.91%. So if you bought one share, you made 228. Now the thing with looking at CSWC, they're a business development company, so 90% of what they make have to go back to investors. So you have to be aware and do your due diligence. But the high yielders, I need to focus on the high yielders, because imagine 63 times 4. Okay, $63 times 4. If I get to 400 shares, they're not too pricey either. Imagine the passive income I can earn from them and use them to buy dividend growth stocks. One, I can earn great income. Okay, I'm not ready to flip it, but imagine you using that with a dividend snowball effect and buying my dividend growth stock. So I like the nice hybrid, high yield. Okay, I'm an income investor and dividend growth investor. Now you look at all my shares. I have a lot of shares in different stocks. Not enough in my opinion. And I'm going to jump to etrade. And looking at my etrade dividend portfolio, certain months are pretty nice. August, my birthday month. Look at that. Almost at 450. November, almost at 450. February almost at 450, and May almost at 450. June is a decent month as well. So looking at Key Corp, I'm going to make $97.80, which will be reinvested back into my dividend portfolio, of course, with Key. That's the one problem with M1 finances. Can't reinvest dividends specifically into my dividend stocks. I would love to do that. I'm hoping in the future they do something like that. That would be incredible. With fractional shares, or use my dividends to distribute into other dividend stocks. That would be amazing. So with M1 Finance, but they don't do that right now. But okay, with these dividend stocks, again, this isn't the bread and butter. The bread and butter right now is M1 Finance, and then I'm going to go back to eTrade. But I'll show you my income I earned on eTrade, and it's not bad. It was a little bit of a down month, but it was still pretty good. Let's go over that. So calculating my numbers, still not too bad. The Gladstone I made $17.89, Realty Income I made $41.42, EPR Properties $38.50, Main Street Capital $31.08. You got a special dollar, it looks like, for Gladstone. And then I made $15.65 with Horizon and $285.59 with Arbor Realty Trust. I made a total of $431.19. So my total dividend amount was $1,818.27. Guess what? That's more than I pay rent. So that is very nice. And of course, I'm going to reinvest my dividends and get my dividend portfolio a lot stronger and more efficient with the compound interest and dividend snowball effect. So I wanted to show you how my passive income journey is doing. $1,818.27. I will have a video for you tomorrow. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. You guys take care, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. Have a great Saturday. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money, so make sure you do your due diligence. My YouTube channel is strictly for entertainment purposes only. Use a financial advisor if you're looking for financial advice. If you're looking for tax advice, go to a tax advisor. They are certified to give financial advice and tax advice. I am not giving financial advice. You have to do your due diligence, like I said. You can gain money, you can lose money, so be aware of that. I do own shares in this video. I do not believe in pumping. I'm just showing you my passive income journey. You guys take care, have a good one, enjoy my entertainment videos for you, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.